and I am a current student of Edisa English speaking classes of Tellaram. So now my topic is why education is important in our life, and means what is the role of education in our life. So I am telling something about education. So please cooperate me. Friends, education is most important thing in our life according to me, and without the education man is incomplete according to me. So education is most important thing, and according to me education is the third eye of man. Means beside the education we can't achieve the more and more things in our life, and means you want to become a successful person in your life. So for that education is most important thing, and you should come to know means it is a need of our this modern era, and in this era education have a lots of importance, and means in our school life, in our college life, we can understand what is the importance of education. And friends, in this era education have a lots of importance. Means and in I told you in a student life, when we would suffering from the student life, so that's time we can understand what is the importance of education and what is the role of education in our life. So according to me education is most important thing in our life, and it is a treasure of lots of knowledge according to me. And in this era education is most important thing. Means now this time competition is progressing day by day, and in this era education is the most helpful for us. Means beside the education we can't achieve and we can't complete our goal. You suppose you want to become a successful person in your life, like a doctor, teacher, engineer, whatever. So for that education is important thing. Means by the education we can get a lots of experience, we can get a lots of good things in our life. So according to me education is not important for only for the study, only for getting the success, but also on other hand education is important for getting the lots of experience which are important in having new life. So for that education is most important thing. And guys, education is the third eye of man. That thing said Dr. Babasaheb Ambedkar, and APJ Abdul Kalam always said this thing. Education is the medicine of every problem. Means we can overcome any problems, we can face more and more problems only due to the education. So education have a lots of importance in this era, and education have a more and more scope in this era. So according to me you should always time take the education in your life, because life always time give the more and more chance to us for taking the education. But many times we waste our time, means we waste our time, we can't means we can't do means we don't do study in our life. So according to me education is most important thing, and you definitely you can do education. It is only you can do the more hard work from the education, but it is a depend on your mindset, and it is a depend on your mentality. So education is most important thing according to me, and by the education we can achieve that all things, big things you want to achieve in our life. And friends, our great persons means like Dr. Babasaheb Ambedkar, Mahatma Phule, Sarvapalli Radhakrishnan. That person took the education in their life, and due to that they are a very honor in front of us. We always time grateful to them. Only due to the only means according to me we can create our image, we can create our good attitude in front of the society only due to the study, only due to the education. So in the education hard work and study is important. Means hard work plus study and so is equal to success. So for achieving the success, for achieving any goal, so for that education is most important thing. And every means many people described about education. Education is like wings of man. Means by the education we can fly more and more. Means we can touch the sky only by the education. Friends, now this time education is doing progress in any field, means science, agriculture, means in a medical field, in every field education is doing progress day by day. And you know friends, now this time Chandrayaan 3 launch on the moon, so it is only means it can be possible only due to the education, means education is doing progress day by day, and now this time science is also doing progress day by day by the education. So education is most important thing according to me. And many means when you don't take the education, so that's time we want to face the many problems create in front of us. So when you take the education, so that's time education gives the lots of power to us, means how we can overcome on any problems without any deterrent. So you should come to know what is the importance of education and what is the role of education in your life, and you should take the education in your life. Means education gives the lots of experience and knowledge also. And in the education thing, when we read the more and more books, so that's time we can enrich our outlook, we can and which skill and qualities are hidden in front of us in us, so that's time we can improve, we can develop that things by the education. And only education, means according to me education is our good fellow, our good teacher also. Means by the education we can achieve that more and more things in our life. And you know friends, when you don't take education, so that's time our means many times we spoil our life, and we can't achieve that things which things you want to achieve. And you know friends, in our our parents always time says to us they can't means that time they could not take a education due to their economical condition, but now this time many things are available from us, everything is available for us, means from that we can take the education. But despite of we don't take education, we always time creates the more and more means we always time create the more and more complicated things in front of us. And means I want to say that only things many means every thing is present for us, but by using that we think we don't take education, but it is a depend on only your thing, it is a depend on only your mentality. You know friends, APJ Abdul Kalam, Dr. Babasaheb Ambedkar, that person were very poor at that time. They had not any facilities, they had not anything, means by that they could not means that time they cannot take the education, but only due to their hard work, only due to their study, they can means they could be achieve the more and more things in their life. And now this time they are a very successful person, they are very grateful for us. So I want to tell that thing, education is most important thing in your life. And according to me, without the wings, birds have no importance, birds have no value. So like that, man have no value without the education. So education is most important thing in your life. And you know friends, by the education we can get more and more things, and means we can achieve the more success in your life. So I want to say that thing, you should take the education in your life, because education is the golden chance to us according to me. And every one person don't get a education, but now we are, according to me, we are very happy person, because we have a education. So lastly I want to say that things, you take a education, and only by the education, only by the hard work we can get the success in your life. So I hope you got it my point. And please friends, like, share and subscribe this video. Thank you.